Hi everybody, Paul here again. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace a battery on your vehicle. This is something that anybody can do, and it can be done fast. Knowing how to replace a battery can save you the expense of a tow truck or a trip to the repair shop. Any auto parts store can help you find the correct battery, which they'll usually have in stock. To replace the battery, place the vehicle in park, remove the keys from the ignition, and open the hood. Next, locate the battery. You may have a cover over it which needs to be removed. You may also need to loosen a clamp or bracket securing the battery. Next, identify the two terminal connections. The negative terminal might show a minus sign near the connections and a black cable attached to it. The positive terminal will have a plus sign and a red plastic cover. Next, loosen the nut on the negative terminal connection on the battery. Remove the cable and set it aside from the battery. Next, loosen the nut on the positive terminal connection on the battery. Remove the cable and set it aside from the battery. Next, fully remove the old battery from the tray. Next, clean the battery tray and the battery terminal connections. You can also use baking soda mixed with water to help remove any corrosion. Next, install the new battery into the tray, making sure the positive terminal is near the positive cable and the negative terminal is near the negative cable. Next, remove any covers on the new battery terminals. Next, I like to install these anti-corrosion washers on the positive and negative battery terminals. This will help prevent corrosion from occurring at the connections and keep your vehicle running at optimum performance. Next, reinstall the positive battery terminal connection and fasten it back down. Check to make sure the connection is secure and put the plastic cover back on. Next, reinstall the negative battery terminal connection and fasten it back down. Check to make sure the connection is secure. Next, I'll coat the positive and negative battery terminal connections with the grease that came with the anti-corrosion washers. Be sure to reinstall any clamps, brackets, or covers. Start the engine to test your connections and you're done. Be sure to take the old battery back to where you bought the new battery to get a credit towards your new battery. And while you guys are working on your car, I'll be working on a tan of this beautiful white sandy beach.